What is going on, guys? Okay, so I feel like it's been a while since I've actually talked to the camera. The last video that I just put out for you guys is a video that I recorded a couple weeks ago before I was done my school and before I finished up my exams. So I finished them all up. I've been working on the Mini some more. That's why you guys have that video out to see. If you haven't seen it regarding the Mini engine reassembly, you guys can find a link for it in the description box or wherever you'll find it. But I just wanted to make another video for you guys so you guys can be updated as to what's going on. So I am done school. Done. I've finished my program. I graduate in the middle of July, I think. June, July, one of the J months. And I'm done. I'm home free. It's time to now work on my cars. So I'm going to be getting the Mini up and running. That's my priority one. I have a deadline for myself for the end of this month. I want to have the car on the ground and at least running. I need to get the car tuned and broken in. But after I get the car down on the ground and actually together, I can drive the car and actually get some movement with the Mini. Now, I'm gonna be telling you guys I have a whole bunch of stuff happening with my other cars. So I've purchased a bunch of parts for the Accord. I've done the same thing with the Z, and I have lots of stuff coming your ways. I'm gonna be doing this year, I know it's just the beginning of the season, but I think this year I'm gonna be staying with like some just simple bolt-ons for the Z. I have a lot of like cooling stuff that I wanna focus on. So brakes, oil, transmission, and there was something else, power steering. I wanna address all that now so that once I go for more power with the car and once I do other mods, it can support that. Now, as for the Accord has been my daily for the last 6 years now, and it's been nothing but reliable. I contemplated before even buying my Mini, do I build that thing up? But because that was my only car at the time, even though I had the Golf, that's my brother's now, long story short, but even though that has been my daily, and that was my only car, now I have the opportunity, since it's warm, to drive another car, whether it be the Mini or the Z. So I'm not necessarily stuck. Because it was winter, I couldn't do anything on that thing because if something broke, I'd be screwed. So, I'm gonna be doing a decent amount of work on that thing. I bought 2 motors to basically take apart. I have a new transmission. I have a whole bunch of stuff happening to that thing. I have something to fix on the car right now. I have a downpipe leak that's been bugging me. My car sounds like a lawnmower. It's pretty bad. And I'm gonna be doing that. I'm gonna be fixing that along with an exhaust system. I'm gonna be doing that. I'm not sure when, but I'm gonna be doing it probably at some point before the Mini is done because I can't stand how it sounds right now. So you're probably gonna have an Accord video coming out soon, probably before the Mini's done. So just, you guys can expect that. I haven't taken the Z out of the storage yet. So right now it's still inside this shelter. So it's been there, it's safe, it's lasted winter. I have the entire thing still up. I'm gonna be changing it up and basically taking the Z out at some point. I'm not sure when, but it's here. Here's the Accord. The Accord I haven't touched in a long time. I did change over to Summers, and you probably saw as I just panned over like this. So because the camera's focused on me, you can't see what I did to the Accord, but I have, if you guys remember, I have had a set of staggered 350Z wheels on the car. So I actually picked up another set, and I'm running the rears on the car right now. So they're 8.5s, and I have 8-inch wide ones as my winter tires. So check this out. So the Accord right now has 235 40 ZR18 almost slicks. A while ago, when the Accord was my only car, I dailied this thing and I took it to the track. And I had some really light, really sticky wheels, and I kind of wanted to do the same thing now. So, voila. But stay tuned, guys. I've got a whole bunch of stuff coming out for you guys. The Mini is getting there. I am taking all the stuff that I need out of the car. I'm taking it out, laying it all out, getting the torque specs. Can you guys, okay, you can't really see that right now, but I have everything lined up over here as to what's going in. So I have the new clutch, the new transmission, turbos going in, downpipe, exhaust manifold, all the peripheral stuff, so the alternator, power steering, no, there's no power steering, I lied. Alternator, AC compressor, friction wheel, water pump, a whole bunch of that stuff is going on the engine. So in the next video, I'm gonna be addressing that. I'm gonna be putting that all on. I'm focusing right now on getting the torque specs for all that stuff so you guys have the right information if you guys are doing this. So bear with me, I am back, and I also have someone that's going to be helping me edit my videos. So you guys can expect some more videos and like more frequent videos coming out. I want to get back to the good old days where I was pumping out at least 1 video every week. Like right now, it's been a while since I've posted. Before the video I put out for you guys yesterday, it's been a month, only because of school and that stuff since the last video. So you guys can definitely expect some more stuff coming out soon. But thank you guys for the support. Thank you for getting past that 250K mile marker. We are there. Thanks to you guys. You're the best. I love you guys. I don't know what I'd be doing without you. Probably have like a regular job, but yeah. Anyways, guys, I'm excited. Summer's here, so let's get started. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about what's going to be coming up, you know, regarding the Mini, the Accord, whatever car, summer, how I get my stuff or get my cars ready for summer, let me know. Comment section's down there. I also have my email down there if you guys actually want to get to me faster. I check those every day. So if you have any further questions, you know what to do. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.